Wedding registry and etiquette is something I'd like to chat a little bit about right now. And it seems to be this kind of unclear process, and wedding registry to me is incredibly important. Those of you that are getting married, it's very simple. Just put your wedding registry on your invitation or on your wedding website and make it really clear, because you will take the time to select the items that you really want together as a couple for your new home. For those that may be watching who are guests going to a wedding, come here just for a quick second, because just follow the wedding registry, because the couple really would like that for their home. I know you want to get creative and come up with a concept that you think might be memorable, but the reality is the things they want, they've picked. So they took the time. Make them happy, because they really want to start their new lives together with new and exciting items they've selected as a couple. Now, in front of me is just this mirage of just so many different things. I mean, a lot of what you see here is part of multiple lines of mine, from my luggage to my candle line to my home entertaining line, from lifestyle to all the things that you truly need, including the flatware. If you go to DavidTutera.com, it'll direct you on where you can find items that are from my lines. But for those that are not my lines, there's so many different companies out there that you can register with. They make the process easy, enjoyable, and fun. Now, here's some etiquette that I want to share with you. As a couple, when you receive your gift, if you received your gift before you have walked down the aisle, you still can send a thank you before the day of your wedding. You have 1 year up until you can send your thank you cards, which is in the right respect. After a year, it's entirely too late. Now, when I got married, I sent my thank you cards immediately as I got the gifts. It didn't become such a burden to me having a long list of thank yous to write. Now, as a guest sending a wedding gift, you have up until 1 year to send that gift as well. So remember, there is time, but when you're getting married, you want to get your gift because it's really exciting to open up as a couple. So take a look at all the things. People think about their backyard, their inside, their kitchen, their living room, their bathroom, travel with luggage. There's so many different places that you can truly create and ask for something and receive something on your wedding day. So happy shopping, and please pay attention to the etiquette, because it's really important. As a couple, one last tip. Together, pick the look that you want for your home, and separately, pick a few items that are a surprise. So you might surprise your significant other with something that shows up from a guest. Enjoy.